morning.
Good morning.
What do we have here?
Omelette. Pancakes. Tira-tira ng mga anak namin.
Carbs. And they're all gone.
Bumalik na
Ngayon
sa...
pa lang kami makakapagkape.
Yeah.
Eh, wala na sila.
Yeah.
So, ano pinag-usapan natin kanina?
Yung ano nga, yung savings.
Savings. Na nung bata ka,
You don't.
you don't value. You just wanna spend.
You don't value.
You wanna make...
I do. Bata pa lang ako, nag-ipon na ako. Kumuha ko sa... Naalala ko na may tindahan pa kami. Meron ako, doon ko tinatago yung may... Alam mo yung kawayang alkansya?
Kawayang.
Oo. Tapos dati meron pang... Meron pa ba ng 2 pisong buo? Yung parang hexagon pa yung...
Shake.
Ay, octagon pa
Hindi ko
yung
na
shape.
inabutan yun.
Basta yung hexagon ba o octagon? Kung 6 sides or 8 sides. Basta yun ang hinuhulog ko doon. Tapos tinatago ko sa tindahan namin kasi wala akong mapagtaguan sa bahay. Kahit konting ipon ba sa may ipon. Tapos naalala ko, I opened my own bank account ng elementary pa lang. May bank, ano pang bangko Paranaque sa harap nung...
Kaya sarado na ngayon yun.
sarado. Kasi
Nalugi. Magkano lang daw dinideposito mo eh.
Doon ako nag-bank. Pero bata pa ako noon and I did it by myself, you know.
By walang nag-force.
Walang nag-force sa akin. Parang gusto ko lang may sarili akong ipunan. I like to save. Bata pa lang ako. Parang gusto ko, I have my own
Siguro
money.
kasi nakikita ko pagka young professional, after schooling, kumikita na sila. It's the first time makahawak ng pera.
Pera,
Na,
oo.
right? So that's why they travel a lot. They buy stuff that they wanna buy. Kaya yung savings,
Nahuhuli na.
nahuhuli na.
Oo.
Which is ito nga yung sinasabi ko na, how come that nag-aral ka sa college for 4, 5, 6 years and yet you don't have money skills?
Yeah, oo nga, no.
Right? Eh kaya ka nga nag-aral, nagtrabaho para kumita and then pag-graduate mo, wala ka pa ng money skills. Hindi mo natutunan inside
Sa university.
Sa school.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Actually, most of the students, yung mga graduates, mga professionals, as soon as magtatrabaho sila, their intention was to save. Kasi nasa isip nila is, uy, kikita na ako, meron na akong extra pera, magsisave na ako. But what happens in reality is that nakikita nila na once they have money, they can buy whatever they want. Before they knew it, wala na pala silang isa-save. Nagbumili na lang ng bumili kasi sabik din sila dahil nga when they were still students, hindi nila nagagawa yun. So,
And then, may in love sila.
nahuhook.
May in love sila, they have the same habit sa spending. So now, mag-asawa, yung responsibility is much even bigger. Eh, yung habit nga nila nandun. So some people, they cannot give that up. So dun sila na ngayon nag-i-struggle mag-asawa.
Yeah.
So these are some of the lessons that we learn along the way, by the way, guys. Okay? Hindi ito something that natutunan din namin. Even before, it's just like, you know, bakit kinakailangan mag-aaway, especially kung nagmamahalan, and yet pagdating sa pera, problema, boom, apektuhan.
Yeah.
Money is probably the one, if not the most important part in the relationship. I mean, of course, communication and all those things, pero yung practicality kasi ng pera, we cannot deny it. How important money is, right? Because no matter how much you love each other, hindi mo pwedeng ibayad ng grocery at ng Meralco yung bill.
Totoo.
Last advice mo sa mga millennial natin, mga young professional, maybe they're like, you know, 23, 25, 26 years old.
Walang ma-advise ko una for young professionals kasi most of the young professionals magka-work nga, at least nagka-pera, they don't really think about getting into business or taking extra income because bago pa lang silang sumasahod. So parang yung having a certain amount of money every month is not normal for them. Parang sa kanila it's good already, right? I would suggest make sure you save every month. No matter how little you save. Kasi ako, based on my experience, I do that yun nga eh. Nung naalala ko nga, sabi niya nga na every month, nag-save ako ng 2,000 pesos sa baka account ko. I opened a separate bank account apart from my salary ATM. It's good to have them separate. It's like you having it as a emergency fund bank or a savings account. Make it separate. Tapos don't bring that. The card, don't put it in your wallet, leave it in your at home. Ganyan. Kasi para wala kang temptation to use it unless it's emergency or unless you really need it. So yun, put it in a separate bank account and save even as little as you can. Like 1,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos a month.
To get started, yeah.
To get started. I was able to use that money as my capital. So alam mo yung time na hindi mo pa naiisip na magnegosyo, wala ka pang naisip, all you have to do is have fun. You still have these savings. And by the time na may gusto akong gawin, I was
Or
able
may
to easily...
dumating na opportunities.
Yeah, exactly. I was able to easily start it, right?
Because you have some resources to begin with.
Exactly.
Yeah, so no excuses.
No excuses.
I believe in some way we can still save some money. And yun nga, even if it's just like, a small thing, the key there is the habit.
Yeah,
And
habit.
enjoying the process.
Yeah, develop the habit.
Develop the habit. And someday you're gonna be thankful na sinimulan mo yan. So I hope this something been helpful for you guys. And have a great day. Bye. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.